Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is December 19, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in tonight. All right, I'm going to show you a pattern that usually spells trouble for a lot of stocks. Very often around this time of the year, the volume gets very light. Markets generally float or go sideways. But when a stock sells off with high volume, especially when you have seasonality trends that are saying markets should go higher, this is a little bit of a warning sign of things to come, especially for an equity that does put in this type of pattern. Let's take a look at Las Vegas Sands. What you're going to see here is right here on December 8th, the stock sold off in a very sharp manner. Stock went from a high that day of $62.74. It winded up closing down around $54.67. That's a huge one-day decline. And what you're going to notice is that the stock has not recovered. So whenever you see something like that, that's a warning sign that this stock wants to go lower. Now, if you take a look at a bigger time frame, more along the lines of a weekly chart, that tells you the next level this stock wants to go once this $54 area is taken out will be down to this 50-week moving average. Now, if you look at the laws of symmetry, what you're going to notice here is that the stock, if you just draw a straight line from the recent pivot top to the pivot low, and you just make a copy of that line, okay, and you just copy that exact level, what you're going to notice here is this stock takes you even a little bit lower, down below $50. And then if you look here on the chart, your next big breakout pivot takes you all the way down here. So in my opinion, from looking at this stock and the sell-off that took place in early December, this tells us that this stock wants to go down to around the $48 level. That's where I think traders should look. So how do you play this and what's the trade? Well, if this stock starts to consolidate here, it's going to give you a short opportunity all the way down to 48. If the stock breaks down now, you'll get a buying opportunity if you don't catch the short, and you get traded at $48. So there's various ways of playing this equity, but at this point in time, ultimately, the downside is imminent in this equity. So again, keep Las Vegas Sands on the radar. This is a stock that ultimately is telling us it wants to go lower. The key level to break through on a daily or weekly chart close would be around $54, and I do think that is in the cards for this stock in the near term. So again, we would look to be a buyer probably around the $48 level, maybe even a pierce of 48. You're going to see a nice little gap there. Also a breakout point. That should be where the institutions come in and support this equity on a pierce or a touch of $48. Until then, watch for more downside in Las Vegas Sands. And once again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll see all of our chart setups. You'll get our cycle work. You'll get all of our content. And you'll also receive our No Hype Live broadcast, which allow members to come in and ask us questions about anything market related. We hold those on Thursdays and Sunday evenings. So again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, you can do so at any point in time. Take that 7-day free trial to the Research Center. With that being said, everybody, we will see you on the charts.